Why Catania? Why should people come to Catania?
There are so many things to do. From the archaeology, we got an amphitheater and a great Greek or Roman theater within a 1700s buildings, some Roman baths. We got some lava tubes from the lava flows and this strange story of the eruption in Mount Etna in the town. You got the food market, you got a museum on the war. You can do whatever you want here.
Teatro Massimo.
Oh, there's the opera house as well, of course. It's the top of my list, but I always forget it.
From street to street, you can see a cathedral that was built.
Oh, that's the Baroque aspect, okay? And the Baroque time is, for us, is the starting over. It's the 1700s. But all people think that it's only made of churches. Though it's a Baroque town and you got all the churches and nothing else. No, we got the churches. We got crazy stories about the nuns and the monasteries. We got, as I said, a lot of